The course is suited for anyone who'd like to learn to use WordPress, administer WordPress, and usually add content to WordPress without knowing HTML and style sheets, as well as businesses who might have many people working on one site using WordPress, multiple users. And we will cover a little bit of HTML and CSS on the course, but you don't need prior knowledge of those two things to come on the course. On the WordPress course, we start from the beginning of where you normally have to start if you were installing WordPress, and we work all the way through to the end, adding your themes to make it look how you want, adding plugins. So at the end of 2 days, you would have had much hands-on experience about how WordPress actually works. WordPress is very easy to use. It means that you'll be able to update all the content on your website without knowing HTML or style sheets, and the actual admin panel is one of the easiest to use compared to other content management systems, both for someone running the site or for clients if you're going to set up WordPress sites for your clients. Silicon Beach uses trainers who are working in their field, which means that the exercises are based on problems or solutions that you need to implement in the real world. So they are up to date with trends in a particular subject area, which makes a massive difference. The advantage is that you've got someone with you over 2 days to help you if you get stuck, to explain every step of the process, from setting up WordPress to add in themes, add in plugins, etc. And that means that you'll learn it a lot more quickly than you would if you're trying to learn it by yourself. And we follow a logical process from start to finish, which mirrors what you'd actually have to do in the real world if you were setting up and customizing WordPress for your site. Once you've covered the WordPress basics, if you'd like to use the more advanced features, you will need to know HTML and CSS. Those are covered. Those 2 courses are covered in our general web design courses. You could either do a Dreamweaver course or an HTML course, and there's basic CSS course and an advanced CSS course. Once you've mastered CSS and HTML, the next logical course for WordPress would be the WordPress themes course, and that enables you to take a design of your own and integrate it into WordPress so that your WordPress will look exactly how you'd like your site to look, rather than using a preset theme.